Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're still here with dancehall star Marcy Chin. Marcy, my friend.
Duff's afraid of you, Marcy.
Duffy friend.
He's afraid of you. Angus is afraid.
Now she's going to play our very popular game, Marry, Date, or Sip. Now, Marcy, if you haven't watched Daytime Live, this is how the game is played. We're going to post a celebrity, and you're going to tell us whether you'd marry the person, whether you date the person, or if none of the two, you just take a sip of water. So, you have your water?
Hey, hey.
You ready? Okay, all right.
Ready.
All right, so.
Let's go with the first gentleman, which is Leon Bailey. What do we say, Marcy? We'll marry him? Just like up on a couple dates.
Stop. What do you mean we are marry him?
Okay, you Marcy. Are you marrying him? Go on a couple dates, or you're like...
How tall is he?
Ooh! I don't know him look
tallish.
How
tall? Leon Bailey?
Yeah, the car.
Him not, okay, him not reach 6 feet.
It's foot. We're in Jamaica. It's 6 foot. Ooh!
Oh! Bamboo you like? All right.
Okay, so that's a negative on Leon Bailey. All right. Our next gentleman is Terrence J.
Yeah.
So we're marrying him.
Could
with
be my friend or something.
But you're still sipping.
Yeah, that's what says she not marry him nor date him. That's what I drink.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Yeah, he could be like a friend.
Got you. Just a brethren.
Well, based off Terrence J, I think you and him could be really good. Oh, Terrence J, no. Yeah. See. Childish Gambino, Donald.
I like this guy. I love his mind, so I would date him just to talk to him.
Have conversations. Okay. Donald Glover. All right.
Yeah, the family, man.
And we have
Up top boss, bubble your body.
TJ, aka Marcy says negative. Why is that, Marcy?
So would it say we're going a reason?
If there's a reason, you can share. You know.
Not my type.
Good answer.
You know, some hold on. The only thing we learn about Marcy's type already is that he need for tall.
Him tall. We're not saying nothing else here.
Not tall, man.
She said tall, right?
Tall.
Terrence J too clean cut. TJ too rough. Danny Glover great mind. So she like tall, great mind. I go sit west. Go on.
Okay. So now we have Lance Gross. Now he's very short.
Like how short is he?
Hold on. That means that
that's all I need to disqualify him.
No, he's like 6 feet. That's not short.
Oh, he's 6 feet?
Yeah.
Okay, I could date him. I'd date him.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Okay. All right. Who's next?
Him no shot.
Yo! What is...
Take time with the water, no, man.
You need some for the next ones. Okay.
Not even the backpack, no workout. Nothing. All right.
Next, we have Davido.
We don't know him. Who is that?
He's an Afrobeat star.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You're like really low. Right?
So that's Davido. He's an Afrobeat star.
Oh, yeah. I date him because of his music.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a good, good connection. A nice
Yeah.
sound.
Nice lips too.
Okay, me and that.
And he's African, so I'm with it.
I get a better picture. I now. I go see what I go on. The next person, Safari.
So what do we say, Ma? Oh, she's a negative on Safari. Okay, but I hear that Safari is tall.
I know it's not just
tall. Okay, we also have Charlemagne the God. What do you say?
Him shot bad, but I date him because I like his sense of humor, his weight, and whatever. I just date him to talk to him.
Oh, she like
I
tall
wouldn't kiss him.
comedians. Tall
Hey,
comedians she like. All right.
Okay.
So, Alex Rodriguez,
He's now single.
A-Rod.
Because J-Lo said no.
Oh, he could get. I'd date him. I'd marry him.
Oh, that's the first marry. Why?
Oh, okay, a sports star you like. Quavo.
Nice.
Who Quavo's nice? Negative on Quavo.
You know, Marcy,
Okay.
Marcy, you're confusing.
I don't think, I'm like, I couldn't set you up, because I don't know what your type is based on this. I don't know.
You know our type.
Put up the other one.
I wonder if we know our type.
The other amigos.
Maybe know our type. You understand?
You know our type?
Maybe we know our type. You understand?
Put up the other amigos and you have an answer.
Okay, the other Migos. All right. Marcy, thank you so much. It was so much fun. You married one person, and that was A-Rod.
A-Rod, yeah.
So I don't know what to say, So, yeah, man. Thank you.
Listen, go stream her music. Go stream Marcy
And that
Chain's
lipstick is
music.
up. I love that song. That song is nice. I'll be putting that in my
Oh,
Zumba class.
and lipstick. For lipstick, I have a competition going on right now. A dance competition, right? So that choreography you saw me doing in the beginning, you learn that choreo, yes, and you use the hashtag Marcy Lipstick Challenge, and then you're eligible to enter. But only if you're following me on Instagram, and you have a chance of winning $100,000 or $70,000 if you come.
Right now.
Nisha, remember, split the money 50-50. Money and share it.
Okay, all right. Thanks, Marcy. Thank you
Marcy,
so much for stopping
salute.
by. Enough love. Love lipstick. Definitely gonna stream it and do something to it.
Guys, remember to check on your loved ones, support each other as a community.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibes, and mix. Don't forget, stay safe, wash your hands. What else do you need to
Mask
remember?
up, keep your distance, or just stay inside as much as possible. Corona still a keep, so we're out.